Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to connect Bluehost email with Gmail. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to bluehost.titan.email. Then log in to your Bluehost email by filling your email address. Click on next, then your password. Click on login. My bad. Once you logged into your Bluehost email Titan inbox, click on these settings icon and scroll down to enable Titan on other apps. This is an important step to enable the ability to link Titan or your Bluehost email inbox or address with your Gmail account. Click on it. Don't miss out on this. Is just advertisement. I'm not sure if it was enabled. It was not the case. Click on it. Don't miss. I think I am forced to see keep using Titan, enable Titan on other apps. Yes, that was not just advertisement. It was a little bit of marketing in order to show you this enable Titan on other apps feature. Click on it from here. Third-party email access enabled for Titan. For the next step, click here. Okay, that's good. I've just recorded our tutorial yesterday, and this interface was a little bit different. But don't worry, you can close this window. Now, if you successfully landed on this page, this is good. If you don't see it due to an Bluehost update, you can still access it from settings. Scroll down, and instead of enable third-party apps on, instead of enable third-party on other apps, something like that, you will start seeing configure third-party apps. Click on it, and you will land on this page, on the exact same page. And just in the case if you, for whatever reason, you didn't, or it was impossible for you to visit this page, let's zoom on the important info so you can copy them or use them manually, or copy them from my video. Now keep this page open and go to Gmail. I will open it in a new tab like that. This is the Gmail email account that I want to connect with my Bluehost email. So click on settings from here. Click on see all settings. Then jump to the accounts and import tab. And then next to send mail as, you will see, in your case, usually you will only see your Gmail email address here, not those email addresses. So below your Gmail address, click on add another email address. A new window pops up. Let's place it here. Now fill in the display name, or fill in the name that you want to display while contacting other people or messaging, emailing other people, and then your Bluehost email address here. In my case, this is mine. Click on the next step. And this is the important step. Here you need to fill in your Bluehost SMTP server. This is easy, don't worry about this. Go back to this page, and this is the SMTP or the Bluehost SMTP server. As I've said before, if you can't copy it manually from this page, you can just pause this video and copy it by typing on your keyboard. Let's delete this default one and paste this one like that, smtp.titan.email. For the ports, as you see, 465 selected from this list. The username, as you see, is your Titan email address. In another way, is your Bluehost email address. In my case, it's this address, and the password is your Titan password, or the password you've just used to access your Bluehost email inbox. I will type it manually. If you have difficulties remembering this password, just just log out of Bluehost Titan account or your Bluehost email account, and try to log in and click on forgot password. Now here, for the security or for the encryption, you can use SSL or TLS, but I recommend you to go with SSL. Click on add account. They are now checking credentials, and congrats, we successfully located your other server and verified your credentials. Just one more step. This step is an email with a confirmation link was sent to your Bluehost email inbox. To add your email address, click on the link in the confirmation email. So I need to receive this confirmation email and click on the link inside it. Keep this open keep this window open just in case you need to resend another confirmation email. Now I will go back to my Bluehost email inbox. As you see, I received a message from Gmail team. Click on it, and instead of reading all of this text, I will directly click on this confirmation link. Please confirm sending mail as your Bluehost email address. Click here to return to your Gmail account. Confirm. The Gmail user may now send mail as this Bluehost email address. This is good. Now this connection between Gmail and Bluehost is not a one connection step. It's a two confirmation. Now we've just completed the process of sending me emails from Gmail as my Bluehost email. Let's start the second part of receiving my Bluehost email messages on my Gmail account. So I will close this window, go back to Gmail, and from this account and import tab, now below send mail as, click on add a mail account. Again, a new window pops up. Let's place it here. Now fill in your email address, which is your Bluehost email address. My bad. No reply at buildstutorial.com. Click on next. You can either import email from your Bluehost email address to your Gmail inbox, or link the account using Gmailify or other services. Here it is important to go or to select import mails from my other account, POP3. This is what we are looking for. Click on next. Here fill in your username, which is the same as your Bluehost email address. So I will copy it from here, delete. Where is the pass? I will paste it manually. For the password, now instead of copying your info from this IMAP configuration details, scroll down to POP. Your the email address is this one, my Titan address, or my Bluehost email address. For the password is your Titan password, the same as the password you've used before. For the POP server, this is the POP server that you want to use, that you should use. POP, let's delete this one and paste it like that, pop.titan.email. In your case, you may just, instead of looking for this page or this page, manually type in those information. They are all the same for all Bluehost users, or not all Bluehost users, or let's keep it at all shared hosting from Bluehost. For the port, go with the 995. This is it, select it from this list. Here you can check this box next to leave a copy of retrieved mails on the server. This is good. Always a secure connection when retrieving mail. This is good. Label incoming messages with this name. You will start seeing, this is the labels they are talking about. It's like a folder. Yes, to have an easy way to differentiate between your Gmail messages and your Bluehost email messages. Archive incoming emails, skip the inbox. No, click on add account. Now, as you see from the check mail from other accounts, I'm not sure why they didn't the window just closed, but the most important thing is that my Gmail, my Bluehost email address is added here next to check mail from other accounts. As you see, last check 0 minutes ago, 2 email fetched. This means they found 2 emails that I received on my Bluehost email inbox, and they retrieve them inside my Gmail account. And as you see, you can see your fetching history. Those are the dates that they tried to go to Bluehost and look for new emails. And if you first or yes, the first day, the first or yes, for the first days after, yes, for the first days after after giving Gmail the possibility to look for your Bluehost email messages, this fetching, or yes, I can call it fetching, this fetching process will be a little bit will take a little bit longer. Sometimes this is not a constant process. They do it now and wait an hour and do it every hour in order to not overload your Bluehost email or hosting or server. But as you get more emails on your Bluehost email and Gmail found them, they make this fetching process a little bit shorter. For example, every 30 minutes, and then every 10 minutes. And as you get more emails, this process will be faster. So in the first days, if you expect receiving an email message on your Bluehost email account, don't expect it to be received instantly in your Gmail. But in your case, if you are looking for an important email message, you can do it. You can do this fetching manually by clicking on check mail now. Click on it. They are checking for new email messages, and no mails fetched. This means that they didn't found any new incoming email message. And this is how this process works. Now let's test the connection between my Gmail and Bluehost by sending a message from a completely different email address to this Bluehost and see if it will land on this Gmail. I am inside a completely different Gmail account to compose a message and send it to my Bluehost email, which is no reply at benstutorial.com. For the subject line, I will write this mail should land, or did you receive this email message. For the body, I will go, this mail should land first on Bluehost inbox, then your Gmail account. Click on send, message sent. Now let's check my Bluehost email inbox. Let's refresh it from here. And as you see, even without refreshing this Titan page, I received the message. Did you receive this email message? Yes. This mail should land first on your Bluehost inbox, then your Gmail account. Let's see if it was received here. I am sure that it will not be the case, but let's check for new messages manually. Click on settings, then see all settings. Go to accounts and import. Now scroll down to check mail from other accounts, and next to your Bluehost email address, click on check mail now. Before I continue this video, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Bluehost for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Bluehost, how to set up and manage your website, also email management, domain management, performance optimization, and also billing and account management. Other than this, you will also get access to other courses about hosting, web hosting, WordPress, email, and also website builder. How to get all of this for free? Simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. As you see, one email fetched, which means they found an email message. Click on inbox again, and this is the message that I sent to my Bluehost email account. Here, this process of trying to retrieve messages or check for new messages is not it is not an you should not do it every time. This is just for important message, but you can yes, just in case you need to get a message as soon as possible. But with time, and the more you receive it, the more you receive email messages, this process will be almost automatically. A little tip to get this process of fetching for new email messages quicker is by subscribing to daily newsletter online. For example, look for tech newsletter if you are interested in tech, and just the process of and subscribe to 10 newsletter, for examples, and just this process of receiving email messages daily will make this fetching process quicker and automatic for you. This is just a little tip for to avoid checking mail manually every time. Now that we are sure from the first part of receiving my Bluehost email messages directly on my Gmail is working great, let's test the ability to send messages for my Bluehost email account directly from Gmail. To test this, I will click on Compose. A new window pops up. Here, select, instead of my Gmail account or Gmail address, I will select my Bluehost email address. If you don't want to every time select your Bluehost email address from here, you can simply select it one time from here. Next to send mail as, this default should be next to your Bluehost email address. Click on make default next to your Bluehost email, like that. Now let's test it. Close this. If I click on compose, as you see, my Bluehost email address is the default one. Personally, I don't want this, so I will undo it like that. I want to select it manually just for this video recording. I will message myself on this different Gmail account. For this subject line, I will write, for example, this did you receive, or this message was sent from Gmail. You should receive this email. Yes, you should. This message was sent from Gmail. Let's repeat the same subject line. Click on send. Message sent. Now let's go to my other Gmail account and see if I received this message. As you see, and this is the message I sent from my Gmail using my Bluehost email address. This message was sent from Gmail. And this is how to connect your Bluehost email account with Gmail. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.